Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we have something real special for my 1986 ATC 200X. This is a very hard to find item, and we'll get right into it. Alright, so right here we have a new headlight. So this is an OEM part that was pulled off of another machine. It's, the headlight, the straps, everything. This thing is in very good condition. It only has just a little bit of webbing. Really not bad, just one little scratch. This thing works. It is awesome. Now, you might not think this is some big, super important part, but these look so much better with a headlight. And I've never seen a listing of one of these that has the correct headlight or a headlight at all. Now, these headlights, the 1986 and 87 200X specifically, the headlights go for about $500 to $550. Just the shroud alone, I've seen go for about $400, and the headlight go for another $100. That's without any of these rubber mounting brackets or any of the interior metal mounting brackets. This one I actually got at quite a deal. I live up here in Washington, and I found on Facebook Marketplace a seller in Enumclaw that was selling one of these. I was selling this along with a few other parts off of 1986. He said he'd listed on eBay, so I went to eBay, put a pretty big bid on it, and I out of 6 bidders, I was the highest. I paid $380 for this before tax and shipping. So everything together, I paid $440, which is quite expensive. The reason it's so expensive is because you cannot buy an aftermarket, and pretty much every machine that these come on, which is just the 86, 87 200X, they're always broken or always missing. So you can buy an 83 to 85 200X, OEM or brand new or whatever for $100. 200 SX or 250 SX, 185S, 200S, all the generations of the 250R and the 350X. You can buy all of them either brand new or OEM used parts for much, much cheaper, almost half the price of this. Now, I don't know why they don't make these, because these are such a cool three-wheeler, and there's somewhat of a demand because there's none of them are on the bikes. But we'll get right into mounting this. We'll see if it works, see if everything's hooked up correctly, and we might take it for a little rip around my yard. All right, guys, so we have the new headlight, and I previously bought a whole new gauge cluster that comes with the headlight mount or headlight plug. The old one actually had one of these terminals burned out. So all you really do is the 3 prongs go onto 3 female ends go onto 3 male ends like this. Like that, that's fully mounted. And then these 4 little things get hooked on to the main top part of the triple clamp, like so. And then you just pull them around, if I can get to the bottom side. You gotta be very delicate with these, because they're much older rubber. I'll just put it right over that little peg right there, like that. Do that to all of them. Make sure these wires are sitting as flat as possible. Because these are rubber, you do want to have them taken care of. Make sure you keep the rubber hydrated. Look at them every single time you go riding. Make sure everything's sitting right where you want it, sitting right nice and flat and snug on there. Now, it looks amazing. I can't describe how much better this looks than it did. I'm so happy with this purchase. I know it was a bit of a splurge, but it is totally worth the look. Now, if you're gonna get a similar headlight, I would go with either the 250R, some of the 86 250R, or the 350X I know fits. And the 350X just make this look like a 350X because it's the same colorway. So I'm gonna fire it up, and I'm gonna show that the light works, and I'll take it for a little rip. right, guys, so as you can see, the headlight is on there. It looks amazing. It works great. I am overwhelmed with happiness about this. Thank God the mounting points are not broken. Thank God it works. I can't wait to ride it with the headlight, maybe even during the night. Later this summer, we're definitely going to go to Jones Creek, go for an actual ride. Yeah, I can't wait. Thank you guys for watching. Please check out all the videos of us working on this, along with other quads.
And us getting it to this point, because it was pretty rough before.
Yeah, I rebuilt the rear axle by myself, and then on video we'll have new seat cover, new stator, the headlight, of course, new gauge clusters, coating the tank,
Getting it running,
a full ride video of it, and a comparison. Please go check out all those videos. Please go check out all our other videos as well. Please consider subscribing. It really helps us out. And leave any comment you want. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again in the future.